Hi guys,
I'm Dita.
and I'm Benjamin,
This is week 13 abroad,
living in Costa Rica.
and we just did a half marathon.
Oh, and we finally got the drone out to show you guys where we live, but we'll show you later in the video.
Now there's only 3 weeks till we officially say goodbye to our lives here in Costa Rica and land in Phoenix, Arizona in the US. That's kind of weird to think about, but yeah. Also because at first we were amazed by everything, the wildlife, nature, culture, and then of course as time went by it became more normal, more regular to seeing monkeys in your backyard or going to the beach after work and stuff like that. And now we're at a stage where we're talking about the things we are gonna miss, like walking to the supermarket in a bikini and without a shirt on for Benjamin, or having toucans all around you every morning, afternoon, evening for that sake as well. Living here in the rainforest, the sounds, how beautiful it is, and there's a lot of things we're gonna miss. And at the same time, we're really excited and unintentionally counting down a bit, because the road trip in Arizona and Utah, and even more the thru-hike adventure, is just around the corner, and we are beyond excited for that. So we don't mind that time is flying by and that is just about to happen, but at the same time we don't want to say goodbye to this either. So yeah, kind of lucky. Yeah. This morning we were woken up 5 a.m. by the howler monkeys because they are so close to us. You can kind of see them jumping around over there. Another very productive morning. Even more signs. Benjamin is gonna cut down these bananas. Ooh! Well, how to cut down some bananas, I guess. Bananas! And this is where our bananas hang out. When the lights went out, holding tight to all of the things. It's kind of become an ongoing joke with Benjamin and I doing our 20,000 steps, so the owners are cheering us on every time they drive by, and they send us this voice message.
Here's a recording, so you could play it to get motivated to get up in that high desert, hot, taking naps in the shade. Go, you guys! You can do it! Get there! Go! Go! Come on!
Go! You can do it! Yeah.
Ricky and Laurie are really the sweetest, most fun hosts.
It's fucking funny. It's good. It's good. It's gonna keep us going.
Yeah, we're gonna miss him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the darkest nights, look for the light, the one who helped with no ward in sight. Picking up all the pieces of the things that we love.
We've called it rare occasions when we've seen the spider monkeys, and that is due to common facts, but we'll argue that in our experiences it's more rare to see the white-faced monkeys here. We've seen one by itself maybe 2-3 times in total over the past month and a half, and today for the first time we're seeing a full pack like the ones we saw in Jimenez.
Morning coffee, fresh fruit, and the occasional wildlife that distracts us.
This is a prime example of Benjamin running to get his camera because there's toucans in our backyard, and funny enough we're in the middle of making this video.
We're slowly heading down to the restaurant where we have a date night with the hosts, Laurie and Ricky. And look how nice and lovely Dita looks in her yellow dress and her slightly worn trail runners.
I have nothing else. Handsome man. This is water apple seeds, the red fruit we showed in the vlog from last week. And Benjamin is just gonna throw them everywhere to plant some seeds along our road.
Good deed.
Very lazy way to do it, but it works. The first thing we do after getting back from our walk is take off our very disgusting smelly shoes and set them to dry in the sun. And then we take out our camping chairs because we are apparently that couple, and then we sit and take a breather for, I don't know, half an hour or something before we get productive once again.
Yeah. And a shower. So we just started our half marathon here in Costa Rica. When we left Denmark to go here, we promised each other that we would do a half marathon here and also in every other country that we will visit from here on out.
Fucking idiots.
So wish us luck.
Halfway.
Halfway.
Already pushing hard though.
Just finished half marathon here in Costa Rica. Not best time, not the time you had expected, but we both felt shitty legs after 3 kilometers or something like that. So it was a tough one and a fucking hot one.
Yeah, but first tropical marathon for both of us, and I'm beyond proud of both of us.
So now we're gonna get something sugar to drink.
Coca-Cola and a cold beer.
Oh yes. Nice job.
Nice job.
Yeah, well done.
Never gonna do that again.
Until next time.
Until next time.
Yep. This is what a normal day for us living in Costa Rica looked like.
Make sure those dancing shoes are nice and tight. Not gonna wait for you to start the night. 'Cause this style only turns one way. That's all the way up, up.
I don't know what's up with these monkeys these days, but they keep jumping from tree to tree every time we film them. So not even on the day after our half marathon here in Coquas, we'll let our legs rest. So yet another day with 20,000 steps.
Oh yes.
Oh, and groceries, of course.
A lot of groceries. We were in the midst of making dinner, burgers. Also wanted to take a shower after work and having done our 20,000 steps. And plus today, of course, of all days, we were doing laundry and we ran out of water. Yeah, 0 water in the tanks, must be a leak, but so annoying. It's Friday night and there's not really anything we can do. Just praying that none of us have to do number 2, if you know what I mean, until tomorrow sometime. What a night. Oh yeah, and of course, also today on a Friday evening about 7 o'clock we have some guests arriving and they only speak Spanish. We don't understand shit and they don't understand us, and just glad we have one more beer. Wish we had 20.
And now we're
Out of fucking power as well. So I'm playing this stupid Google game where I'm a dinosaur. And I can't even fucking figure that out.
We really hope you liked it and will continue to follow our journey as we try to live our life abroad.
Yeah. Thank you.